Hi, welcome back, babes. Thank you for watching another video, and thank you for watching this video if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this $120 Nike Air Max 200. Hope you enjoy, and I also see that your Numa is popping. Okay, so automatically when I opened this box, I was in love. Like, these shoes were absolutely amazing. When I seen them online, so what happened was when I first seen them, I used to work for Nike, and I seen them online, and I was like, these are some real grandma gym type looking shoes. But every time I would see people with them in person, it was just like jaw-dropping. It was a complete different experience. So my favorite part about this shoe is that it does look like a grandma, but it's like a swaggish grandma. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it has like some swag to it. So you see it has really unique detailing on this shoe, and even the bottom bubble is so amazing. So I don't like the Air Max 270s due to that huge bubble, but these shoes right here are so perfect because the air bubble is so small and it's really not noticeable. But when it comes to like actual, like, you know, functioning wise, it's amazing. Like, it really truly is an amazing shoe. It gets the job done. It's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to help your heel bounce back from the ground when you're stepping, and it does that. I highly recommend this shoe. Rate is 10 out of 10.